Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there, welcome in this lecture in which we're going to log into our Swapface account. First of all, you need to install Swapface, and this you can do from the website swapface.org. You can download this for Windows. So let's go ahead right now back into our account. Make sure that you input your email and password, and if you haven't signed up before, then sign up with a new account. All right, so once you log into your account, you'll just have to wait a couple of seconds, and then you can start creating videos. Now, of course, you don't need a pro membership here. You just need to answer every time they ask you to go pro that you are okay with the watermark, that you have no problem with it, and that will help you create a lot of videos. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to close this. And I would like you to click here on Video Face Swap option. First thing is first, we'd need to upload a video or a GIF. Now, personally, I would go for the video of the Joker, right? So I have a video of the Joker here. I'm going to go ahead and pick that one up. I think it's only a 6-second one. It's not that much. And it's going to take some time, trust me. And at the same time here on the right-hand side, you have all the faces, right? So these are model faces, and you can also upload new faces, right? By clicking on this little upload button. But first, let's wait for the Joker to upload before we can go ahead and do this properly. Remember that you can also use from these scenes here if you don't have any scene. There's this infamous scene here by Leonardo DiCaprio. I think in the movie The Gatsby. I haven't watched it, but I searched because this scene is iconic. And here we have this, I think it's from the movie Leon. And here we have some other scenes out here as well. Okay, so here the face is detected. Click on it, and then you can choose. Now the face has been detected. I'm going to go ahead and upload my own face by clicking right here. There it is. It's going to upload. It's not the most optimal picture I could find, but it is a pretty decent one. So they're working on it. And now I can select that particular picture of myself from here. Now, I got to be honest with you, this picture is not optimal for this, but I'm just going to use it. And here you can add more faces if you'd like. So if there is more than one character in the scene, then you could basically use the face detection and detect more faces and add your face to all those faces in case you're looking to create a historical scene like that. Now, without further ado, I'm going to click here on the button, the start button, and that will go ahead, fast mode, and generate the video. I'm just going to continue with watermark because I don't need to buy the full version of this. I can just go ahead and use the free version. I don't mind the watermark as long as I get to show you what it looks like. All right, so the video is loading and it's taking quite a long time. So it may take a long time for them to render the video for us. In the meantime, we're going to move on to the topic of the next lecture, which is the Midjourney face swap feature. Stay tuned for it, and I'll see you in the next lecture.